Hello traders, before we get started, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. In this video, I am reviewing the GridTeam EA, which is available for MT5. At the time of this recording, the EA is available as a free download on the MQL5 Marketplace. This is version 2.5, updated on June 27th, 2025. As we go through the marketplace page, GridTeam EA is presented as a tool that allows traders to create and customize their own grid-based trading robot. The main idea here is flexibility. Rather than being limited to a single indicator setup, the EA allows users to choose from multiple built-in indicators or even connect their own custom indicator. Looking further into the description, the developer mentions that the default configuration uses the RSI indicator, which with settings based on previous optimization results. However, the developer also notes that these may not necessarily be the best settings and encourages users to continue optimizing for their own requirements. Now, one feature that stands out is the ability to select from several built-in indicators, including RSI, Bollinger Bands, MACD, Moving Average, Stochastic, CCI, and the Williams Percentage R. For traders who already use a favorite custom indicator, the EA also provides a way to integrate it by specifying the indicator path and configuring the relevant signal conditions. As I continue through the feature list, another important aspect is the support for both single pair and multi-pair operation. During testing, users can choose to run the EA on the current chart only, while live deployment can be expanded to multiple instruments. The marketplace page shows support for configuring up to 6 instruments simultaneously, each with its own activation settings. The EA also includes a volume multiplier feature that can adjust position sizing as the account balance changes. According to the description, traders can choose whether calculations are based on balance or equity, providing additional flexibility in position management. Another interesting feature mentioned by the developer is the drawdown notification system. Rather than constantly monitoring the account, users can receive notifications when drawdown conditions improve and reach predefined levels that may be more suitable for withdrawals. Now, before moving into the backtesting section, the developer specifically recommends performing long-term historical testing to better understand the EA's performance and reliability. A suggested starting point mentioned on the page is testing with a $1,600 balance. Sorry, a $1,600 balance using the default settings. Now, we are just going to look at the results that are displayed here. So we can see that initial deposit was $1,600. The backtest was from 2021 to 2025. Profit was $13,600. Okay, in this case, only single chart, $1,000 to $18,500. RSI indicator activated, smart features activated. And then we can see here 25% drawdown. Without this feature, the account went bankrupt. Emergency action closed the worst positions. So here, a crisis may occur every 6 to 7 years. In such moments, the emergency recovery setting will be activated. All right. So let's just quickly head over to our strategy tester to see how this EA performed in 2026. over the past about 5 months plus. So we're testing the GridTeam EA on Euro USD on the H1 time frame. We're testing from the beginning of this year, 1st January 2026 till date. As for the delays, we're using the last ping to the server, every tick modeling. The backtest result shows that from an initial deposit of $100,000, the total net profit was about $46,231.97. Total trades taken were 321, and 192 of those trades were profitable, giving us a 59.81% win rate. And the largest profit was 7,207.2, largest loss 2,117.12, average profit was 519.84, average loss 415.32. Okay, so this shows me that the average risk to reward ratio is not all that bad. Okay, at least the average profit is bigger than the average loss. And reviewing the historical chart activity, it is important to remember that the EA's entries and overall behavior are influenced by whichever indicator configuration has been selected. Okay, so the marketplace information confirms that traders can customize both signal generation and instrument selection, which means historical trading activity may look very different from one setup to another. Okay, now when analyzing historical testing performance, I always recommend focusing on consistency across longer periods rather than short-term results alone. Okay, so I'll still recommend running longer term testing yourself as well, so that you can, get a more comprehensive understanding of how the EA behaves across different market conditions. As always, historical backtest results should not be viewed as guarantees of future performance. Results can vary based on risk settings, position sizing, broker execution, spread, slippage, market conditions, selected indicators, and user optimization choices. Overall, the GridTeam EA offers a highly customizable framework for traders who want more control over how their automated strategy is built. So the combination of multiple indicator options, custom indicator support, multi-pair capability, and flexible configuration makes it an interesting tool for traders who enjoy testing and optimizing their own ideas. So if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications for more valuable trading content. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next review.